Hi, I'm Caroline Kiel, and this is a short video regarding Backup Exec feature FP5 and the new technology called instant recovery. This is a technology that allows you to really instantly recover a virtual machine that was backed up before in order to recover as fast as possible from a system outage. So what we have here is a Backup Exec server, and we've created a snapshot backup from this virtual machine here, and we can now say instant recover this virtual machine. A wizard will open asking us what backup set we want to use for the recovery and where the recovery shall take place. So we browse here for the host. In this situation here, this is a VMware environment. You can also use Hyper-V. There's no big difference in using this technology. Then we can also select whether we want the network card of the server to be connected to any kind of network. Please keep in mind that as long as the virtual machine is still existing, it's not a very good idea to recover the same virtual machine to the same network, as this will result in at least in an IP address conflict. Then you can also decide which storage to use and when that recovery shall take place. So I say run now and OK. Here's a short reminder that this instantly recovered virtual machine will have its storage residing on the backup server, so it's not a very good idea to reboot that backup server as long as the virtual machine is not moved over to the hypervisor. So click on OK and have a look in the job monitor. Here's our job, and Backup Exec is now creating the configuration in the background, talking to the ESX server in our environment, creates the virtual machine. So he is going, registering, and that's it. So the whole job took us 12 seconds to recover a virtual machine that has 75 gigabytes of data on it. This is as fast because we did not move any kind of data to that virtual machine. So if we move to the vCenter now, we see the virtual machine here, and we can also see its settings, that this machine is configured as it was before, and we could now turn it off and on, whatever you want to do. But please keep in mind, as the original virtual machine is still running on the system, don't connect it to the same network where the original machine is located to. In order to remove that virtual machine now again from the storage, you see also here now the icon, the machine is backed up and you have a VM recovered from that machine. And also when you do a double click here, you see recovered machines. You see the system here, and you see it has got a timestamp in the name. This is because you can also recover multiple instances from the same virtual machine, even from the same backup, to do different tests or whatever kind of things you want to do with these recovered machines. So what we do now is we say remove a recovered virtual machine, use defaults and remove now. This machine we want to destroy and say OK. Again, a warning that this will result in the machine being destroyed, and there will be no longer any access to the system. Just in case you wanted to move that virtual machine to the production environment, because we are not talking about tests, we are talking about a real recovery environment or situation, then you could have done a storage vMotion from the virtual machine to the hypervisor storage, and then this machine could go to production before you remove it from Backup Exec. So it's now removing the system, and this job's already done now. So this was my short demonstration regarding Backup Exec feature FP5 and the technology of instant recovery. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and goodbye.